Yesterday, I showed you how accessories can elevate your look. Today, I'm still on about the accessories, guys. Okay, so look at this blazer. You don't want to go out like this. You just do not want to go out looking like this. I know a lot of you go out like this. You just go out like this. It's a full length. Can you see that? Get yourself tailored pants, guys. See, well tailored. Look at it. Hey, are you seeing the flat tummy? Anyway, that's by the way. So I'm going to show you how to style it today using this one accessory that I love so much. You need, if you're a lady, you need this accessory more than any other accessory. Let me show you. These belts are the real deal. This is how they come. Can you see? It has a clip here. You put your outfit here and you lock. They come in different colors. This is lilac. This is rose red. This is yellow. This is gray. I have the brown. There's black. I actually sell them. They are very, very versatile. You can use them to see. You don't have a problem when it comes to oversized outfits, oversized shirts, oversized dresses. This belt got you covered. Let me show you how I'm going to transform this. 1 minute. So guys, it doesn't fall off. Look at it. So I'm going to put the second part now. Sometimes you need to take off your shirt or your blazer, put it, lay it so you can see it clearly, because I mean, I don't have eyes at the back. So can you see now? Hey, clock it. Now I don't know about you, but I can never leave my blazers like this. I just feel like there's more structure when I fold them, when I fold the sleeves. Like, that's what I'm going to do. See, like, can you see? I'm going to insert a before photo somewhere here or there so that you can compare. I've not even used any accessory yet, but you can see. Hey, I am loving this. See, just look at it from the back. Let me wear my accessories and I'll show you the full look. What I added was just the pearl beads. Like, guys, this is versatile. You can use it as your belt. You can use it with your scarf. You can use it. This is going to be a tutorial for another day, but I just added my pearl beads, my little pearl earrings to go, and then this little cute brooch here. And then I'm going with my bag, black shoes. And guys, by the way, I forgot to mention, this is thrifts. Thrift wears. Very affordable. No harm in wearing thrift wears. Just know how to put them together. Combine. Who is going to know that you were looking like one in Beke the other time? So let me give you a 360. This is how you walk into a room and they'll be like, wow, who's that? Who's that? So let me give you a full view.